As you can see today, I just want to withdraw this fund. You see the fund. This it will take. I'm sending it straight to the bank, so it will take like 3 days. I click on transfer, and the money is going. Withdrawing everything. So it's requesting for code. I just have to enter the code now. I'm waiting for the code. When the code enter, I'm going to enter the code and the fund will be withdrawn. I just got the code, so I'm entering the code now. It's confirming the identity. You can see you transfer the total amount. It just means say 3 days done. You can see now the available balance is $0. Let's go to the account balance. You can see there's no money in the account again. Let's go to the activities. You can see the money that I've just withdrawn, say bank account completed. You see the money. So, and then to let you know the status of this bank account, you see, as you can see, let me go to so that's that.